Guys, this is actually me right now. This actually a nice kind of soft surface. So today I'm going to show you my new Lego. So I just built them and they're still new. I just built this 2 days ago. So this one is a truck. So there's a truck. There's a truck. So this set also includes two minifigs. So you have here two minifigs. So they're kind of cute. Um, um, I have shovels. So it only includes one shovel. So we're just gonna put them there. Then this includes with a axe or pickaxe. We're just gonna put them there. And this one comes with a driller. So we can see the driller here. So there's a driller here. And we're just gonna put them here. And this one also includes a chainsaw. Okay. So it only allows actually two trucks, two minifigs, and um, four sets of tools. And I didn't include um, the second truck because I was so tired. I wasn't able to finish it. So by the way, this is since I have the extra blocks, so I just didn't have any idea on how to make some stuff. So what I did was that I actually used the blocks, extra blocks, to build that thing. Like I forgot what it's called, but it's like where you put stuff and dirt and you just So it's supposed to be shorter, but but it did kind of work. So that's why. So it's a simple kind. So we're just gonna put them there. So it's actually all, but I still have some extra blocks, and there's these two wheels. So the wheel will stay here. So yeah, guys. So I was saying this is the two minifigs, and we're just gonna actually, and we have here the truck. So it's a truck. So um uh I not actually holding this. So I'm not actually I'm not actually holding my cell phone. I'm actually using a Lego stand instead of a tripod. So I didn't have any. We didn't have any money to buy it. I'm shy to ask to. Is it okay to buy a tripod? So that's why. And by the way, there's actually a cell phone, and I've been dreaming to buy a backgraph, like the set or the floor, because before I used to dream that I wish I could be like a filmer, and I have a backstage and something like that. I can't believe my dream came true. So I'm just thinking that it's a good thing my dream came true. And yeah. So I've been dreaming to have a cell phone, but instead of a normal cell phone, I have I had a I have a Samsung Galaxy J1 here. So that's why. Sorry for the volume change. So I'm gonna show you how to make the Lego tripod. It's a small one though. So let so this is the stand. Oops, I'm so sorry. Fella. So this is the stand. So this is the materials you're gonna need. First you're gonna need a a 2x6 uh 2x6 block. So it looks like this. Then we're gonna need a stand block and another. So you're gonna need four kinds of stand block, and you're gonna need a 4x4 block. So it will look like this, and you will need a 1x6. So yeah, and we're just gonna take this 4x4 block, and then we're gonna take this Lego stand, and we're just gonna place them in, like in the edges. So just gonna put them there. So there. So it's like a table, a lower table. See, he's like, whoa, this is cool, yo. How are you doing this? So he's like, so cool. And so yeah, and he went out like there. So by the way, we're gonna take this 1x6 block. So it's a thin kind of block. So that's the block, and it's kind of nice. But that's what I like about it. And it's shiny, if you can see. And so we're gonna take this block. No, we're actually gonna have to take this wheel kind of thing. So we're just gonna put them like this. There. And we're gonna take this again. Okay, wait. And we're just gonna take this 1x4 piece. No, actually, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. So we're actually gonna take the 1x6. We're just gonna put them there. Okay. So it's transforming. You can't just see it. Then we're just gonna put this. So that's the final, and we're gonna make for the stand like so that it won't fall. So we're just gonna put them here. So it's like that. We're just gonna put them there. So there, it's done. So remember, you always have to put it like there, so you can see it properly. So that's how it's supposed to look like. So that's how it looks like, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.